In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos, videos, or documents from your Mac to your iPhone using AirDrop. To do this, first make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. On your Mac, open Finder. Select one or more files, then click the Share icon in the Windows title bar and choose AirDrop. The AirDrop window will appear. If your Mac doesn't find any nearby devices, you won't see them listed here. Now, on your iPhone, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap the AirDrop icon if it's gray to turn the feature on. To be sure, long press the Network Settings card, select AirDrop, and make sure you've selected Everyone for 10 minutes. You should now see your iPhone's icon appear in the AirDrop window on your Mac. Just click on your iPhone's name. A notification will then appear on your iPhone screen to confirm the file transfer. Tap Accept on your iPhone to start receiving the data. If both devices are signed in to the same Apple ID, the transfer will happen automatically without needing confirmation. The speed of the transfer will depend on the size of the files you are sending. Once the transfer is complete, the files will automatically open in the corresponding app on your iPhone. For example, photos and videos will be saved in the Photos app. Note that if you're transferring very large files, connecting the two devices with a cable can help speed up the transfer, even while still using the AirDrop feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.